Hi, it's Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast, and today we're going to talk about tire maintenance on your Cybertruck. Alrighty, so guess what? I have about, 6,800 miles on my truck so far, and I happen to be going through the menu, scrolling through, and it said, service alert, and I'm like, what? And of course, lo and behold, I didn't realize how many miles out of my truck and that I was due for a tire rotation. Normally, with most vehicles, it's about every 5,000 miles that you do a tire rotation. And I was just so used to doing it every time I had my oil changed in my Tundra, I didn't even think about it in my Cybertruck. So thankfully, there's an alert in Tesla that lets you know. Also, if you're running the Tessie app, the Tessie app will alert you and remind you of when you need these done. So I was like, all right, what am I gonna do to rotate these tires? And it was a Wednesday afternoon, and I was like, all right, where do I go? I didn't want to go all the way to Costco. There's my Arnold. I'll be back. I didn't want to go all the way to Costco, and I do plan to probably get the tires there because they are very, very affordably priced. For those of you who've never replaced tires in a Tesla, not only does Costco have really aggressive pricing, they have all the pucks needed for whatever brand, model I should say, Tesla you have. If you have a 3 requiring the pucks, the Cybertruck doesn't, but you want to make sure you go to a place that's done it and knows how to deal with Cybertrucks and Teslas in general. So I know my wife went to Discount Tire because she got a nail in her tire once, and they plugged it for you. And the thing about Discount Tire, and I was going to interview the guys there, but they were just so busy I didn't want to bother them, is that they will plug a nail in your tire free of charge. They'll do a tire rotation free of charge. So when I called them up, I said, can you do it on my Tesla Cybertruck? They said, yes. Do I need an appointment? No, you might have to wait 30 minutes, maybe an hour, depending how busy they were, but they'll do it no charge. Now, one thing I will let you know about, if you want to balance those tires, they will charge you for that. And I think it's $64 to balance the 4 tires, and you may or may not need them. Thing is, if you rotate the tires, you really won't know until they rotate them, and then you say, it's not really handling right, then you have to go get them balanced. Now, they do have a lifetime tire balance, but the way I've been using these tires, like I'm sure some of you guys are, evidently the treads where they are, these are about half worn down, okay? I didn't think I was that bad on the tires, but evidently I was when I first got the truck. Guilty. I was chirping the tires. I was going 0 to 60 in 2.6. I got the Beast. What do you expect? So these tires probably gonna last another 6,000 miles. And he said for the price difference of the one-time balancing for the 4 tires versus the lifetime balancing, probably not worth it because they're probably gonna need new tires in 6 months anyway, or even less. So that is the thing to consider, because remember, your truck is 6,600 pounds. As a result, you really don't want the tread to go that low, because if you go to stop on a wet surface, you might hydroplane, and with that weight, you're just gonna slide and get to a wreck. It's not worth it, okay? So you definitely need to keep that in mind. You don't want to go all the way until the treads, and they have the whole green, yellow, red on your treads. I want to say it's 5/30 seconds is like the last green. That's really like the lowest cutoff you want to go, because if you go a hair more than that on a big, very heavy truck like this, and you're riding around on a wet surface, especially on a highway, you may have a hard time braking. Now, where I'm at, I'm really just local. I'm just going around 35 miles an hour, not really on the highway, not too much of a big deal. Sometimes though, I will go on Highway 31 and go down to south part of Myrtle, and yeah, I'll go 80 miles an hour. And if it's a wet surface, there's that chance. So cool thing is they've got a phone type piece of hardware with an app on it. It measures the treads for you. But the thing you have to consider, and you never remember this because this is such a unique truck. Remember, you have 4-wheel steering. In fact, when I turned in here, you might be able to see, but the tire is turned, the rear tire is turned. Since all 4 tires turn, you really, really, really have to make sure you're rotating these tires. And, you know, it's something where the treads are going to wear on the rear and the front almost equally because of the turning, okay? So keep that in mind as well. The price of new wheels on here roughly is in the $2,400–2,500 range for a set of 4, all mounted and balanced, etc. And you probably want to go, especially if you've got the default OEM hubcap style with the Goodyear that's got the notch outs. So when you put the plastic wheel covers on, it's going to match there with that and look good. So just make sure you go with that same brand if you are using those hubcaps. If you're going kind of with the new free hubcap center they gave you because you want to show off your calipers, which are getting dirty, I need to clean these things, then you know you have a couple other different choices. But again, you just want to kind of keep that in mind. You want to make sure you get a good quality tire, because remember, you're going to be chirping this thing. You're going to be going probably a little faster than your typical vehicle, a typical truck. These are the same tires my buddy has in his Jeep. In fact, the exact same tires my buddy has in his Jeep. And his tires last a lot longer. You know why they last longer? Because his Jeep doesn't go 0 to 60 2.6. He isn't chirping wear the treads. So, you know, he doesn't go off-road either. Now, if he went off-road, I'm sure that these would definitely get hammered quite a bit more. So, you know, that's just my 2 cents. Again, Costco is always, you know, my favorite place to go. As you know, in my frunk, I've got my cooler bags, because when I go to Costco, I bring them in, so I don't have to take the cart out with those plastic boxes. I put everything in the cooler bags, keep it nice and cool, but also it's easier to carry right inside, bring all my food right inside of those 2 carry bags. So Costco for me is just the ultimate. But Discount Tire, I gotta give them kudos for that. If I didn't do the balancing, they would have just rotated them for free. But I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have any shifting in the vehicle when I was driving, because honestly, the not doing the balancing, my thought was I didn't want to go back. And honestly, if I'm going to have another maybe 7,000 miles out of these tires, I want to get a good 7,000 miles out of it, and an unbalanced tire, just wear it less. And since they're $2,400 for 4 tires, I want these tires to last as long as possible. So my tip on the tires, also keep them always inflated at 50 PSI. I know in the winter time you usually go down to like 44 because the cold air condenses and it's less pressure, okay? So you always have to make sure you inflate them. Mine were around 47, so the guys at Discount Tire reminded me, keep them at 50. You'll get better gas mileage if you're in an ICE car. You'll get better mileage of your battery on your charge if you keep them at 50. So remember, 50 PSI, and as you know, what I always like to keep in my tonneau is my rigid handheld inflator, and that thing is great. It'll inflate it pretty quickly. You just set your PSI you want to go to, plug it right in, and it'll go ahead and inflate the tires to your 50 PSI. And that's pretty much it with the PSI on that. When I do replace the tires, I'll let you know what I decided to do, where it decided to go, and which model I decided to get. But I'm probably gonna go with the exact same ones that came with it. I just want to keep that look consistent. I'm just one of those type of guys. Anyway, that's my speech for tires, tire rotation, tire maintenance. Keep an eye on your app, and when you get those alerts, make sure you sign up with Tessie, and the Tessie will give you those alerts as well. I'd like for you to remember, hit like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for joining me here today, and I'll see you again tomorrow.